Hey everyone, I just want to go over a video today to kind of show you guys how to get your Architect's Revit model and download that and save that to the shared. So today I'm going to go into Dropbox, where we've gotten a file from our architect for the homestead project. So they've sent us over a link in the Dropbox. They have a number of the items saved to this one folder. Today we'll just be downloading the building 13. Every link will be different that you receive, but this one is definitely very straight across the board. You click the check mark, select download, and your download will begin. After your file has downloaded, I usually just select this up arrow right here and say show in folder. Your folder will pop up where it is saved at on your computer. Here's where ours saved. So they do typically download into the download folder. I would not open from here necessarily every time because we want this to be saved on the shared. So what I will do is open my Revit. This particular file will be opening in 2021. I will click open. I will go to that downloads folder under computer and select that file. So when we go here, we want to make sure that it's detached from central. So this is the only place you'll actually be able to do this. You want to make sure that this check mark is checked, or else you'll have issues going down the road, kind of making sure that everything is separated from the architect, and you can run and operate your file as if it was ours. So then we'll select open. And so another window will pop up. Will say detach and preserve work sets. Or detach and discard work sets. Best practice is to detach and preserve. We just want to make sure that nothing's messed up with their file. Since we're not working in this file, it's more for a reference point for us. We just want to make sure that everything is exactly how the architect intended. So then your model will begin to upgrade. Typically, we do not want this to upgrade. We will reach out to the architect and make sure which Revit file and year they'll be using. Just because I want you guys to get used to using 2021. I'm opening it in this year. So make sure you reach out to your architect, verify which year they are using the Revit file in, and do not upgrade or change the year unless they tell you differently.